Hi, sixth graders and skills. It's Miss O'Mara just connecting with you to make sure we understand how to use our weekly planner. That should have been given to you by your foundations teacher. If not, I put a copy of it in skills class, so you can put a copy into your Notability, but this is going to help you stay organized each week and make sure that we're staying on top of what we have to get done for distance learning. Also, I'm going to put my information in there on how to join my Google Meet sessions so that we can go through any homework support that you need. And depending on how much support you guys need for skills class, I might add in some extra sessions just for you guys, given what other teachers assign and how much help you need with some of the work that you're assigned. So again, make sure you keep in touch with me and make sure you talk to me if you need help with things. That's what I'm here for. So for your weekly planner, if you need support to understand how to fill it in, this week will be the week of April 6th through April 9th. We will not have lessons on Friday for students, so you can go ahead and cross out Friday. That is a non-student day. And then depending on when you're opening this, if you're opening it on Tuesday, which skills class is on Tuesday and Thursday, then you might want to check back and make sure that you did these things on Monday. So these are things that you should make sure to do every day. So this is your task list, your daily check. So make sure that you're checking in with your homeroom teacher to do attendance. So if you've done that today, you can check that off. Try to do that by about 9:30 each morning. Otherwise, at least by 4 p.m. each day. At the latest is the best time. Next, making sure that you looked at any updates in your news feed on Schoology from your teachers. They're going to be posting important info you need in Schoology. And then checking your Schoology class folders for that day. So make sure that you check those. And last but not least, each day you should check your SPPS email. Again, if you're not sure on some of those things, be sure you connect with me right away. And probably the best way is through Google Meets and the class code that I will be sending to you guys through Schoology. So then the area down here, you're going to go ahead and put your class name in. Some of you guys this week are going to work on angles in math for my first hour math students. Some of you in my third hour math students might be working on expressions and algebra. So depending on what you're working on, you're going to put that info there. After you've completed it and submitted it or done what you need to do with it, maybe you don't have to submit anything today for it, go ahead and put an X that you got it done. So you're going to use this each day. The other things in there are being able to write what is something urgent. So maybe there's something overdue that you need to do or check in with a certain teacher. Maybe you need to submit a certain item for grading. And then checking if you have stuff that's overdue. So I'm going to help you manage that as we get going this month and checking in our Schoology to make sure if we have stuff that's overdue. The last thing in there is some type of self-care activity. As you are spending this time more isolated and limited from activity with your friends and family, make sure that you're doing some things to take care of yourself. Miss O'Mara does a lot of journaling, maybe a puzzle, maybe video game, maybe something that just going for a walk. Try to do something. You don't have to log in this box, but just try to do something to take care of yourself too. So again, this you'll fill in each day this week. The last part is Friday. Remember, we don't have school Friday, so you can go ahead and X that out. Again, if you have questions as we get going, make sure to connect with me, but here's an example of how you will use your planner this week. I will talk to you soon. Bye.